All right, go ahead. This is job number CP-0523, 60-ton up-acting press, 25 horsepower unit, Allen Bradley PLC control system, got a linear transducer, got light curtains front and back. It's currently set up with a 5-second dwell time. So the press will close. You can set the dwell time wherever you want, but it's set for 5 seconds. Comes up to full tonnage, and then the press will open back up. And now we'll show the press closing, and we'll break the light curtains. This is in auto. Break the light curtains, it stops. You can then continue the cycle. Then on the way down, we'll do the same thing, and then we'll show it in the back. Okay, go ahead and do the back light curtains. Same thing. Now in manual, you can actually open the press while the light curtains are broken, but not in auto. Yeah, we'll show it when it's going down. And then we will restart it. That completes job CP-0523.